Welcome to the FOTRIC TD3 unboxing video. This video will show you the products and accessories included in the acoustic camera package, as well as all the accessories functions. First, open the hard carrying case with a soft portable bag inside. The soft bag contains the camera and all the accessories. Inside the white accessory box are a charging dock and power adapters compatible with different international regions. With the charging dock, users can charge 2 batteries simultaneously. With the USB flash drive and cable, users can swiftly export the data from the camera for sharing and analyzing. Thanks for watching the FOTRIC TD3 unboxing video. Now turn on the camera and start your first inspection.